Afterward, I knew the rules, I understood what I was supposed to do, but I didn't. I couldn't. I was compelled to stay, compelled to disobey. And now here I stand because of you, Mr. Anderson, because of you. I'm no longer an agent of this system. Because of you, I've changed. I'm unplugged, a new man, so to speak, like you, apparently free. Congratulations. Thank you. But, as you well know, appearances can be deceiving, which brings me back to the reason why we're here. We're not here because we're free. We're here because we're not free. There's no escaping reason, no denying purpose, because as we both know, without purpose, we would not exist.
It is purpose that created us. Purpose that connects us. Purpose that pulls us, that guides us, that drives us. It is purpose that defines. Purpose that binds us.
We are here because of you, Mr. Anderson. We're here to take from you what you tried to take from us.
What's good? Peace to you, if peace is needed within you.
Ah, shit! Here you go again.
So I decided to do this video a bit different today and take you on a little walk with me, little adventure, some outside time. They have this conversation on this topic of purpose. So, as you saw in the intro of this video, I had the Agent Smith speech in The Matrix. Matrix is probably, if not one of the greatest movies of our time. It also shows us where we're at, how we're stuck in this time loop, we're stuck in this realm, not knowing why we're here. I asked that in my very first video. Why are you here? My second one was, what do you know about yourself? Third one was, you are everything and everything is you. And that led to the one before this, which is true introspection. So, what is purpose? Is purpose what makes us who we are? Does it define us as people? Is it the reason why we live this life that we live? What is our true purpose? I'm sure many of us have questioned that. Really have questioned that. What our true purpose is. Why were we brought here? So yeah, like I said, what is it? What is the true reason for us being here? I remember when Jay-Z said in one of his songs, question religion, question it all. Question these questions till all these questions are solved. Life is a big question mark. If you ever wondered why so many people fall off the deep end or get lost in whatever it is they got going on in their lives, a lot of lost souls in this world just walking around purposeless. Not understanding themselves, were never able to free their mind, got caught up in the matrix, caught up in this material world and suffered the consequences. Understanding your purpose is part of introspection. It's part of questioning what defines you. It's part of questioning why you're here, what you know about yourself. Understanding that you are everything. Everything is a reflection of the life you've been living. Or rather, the way you've been feeling about yourself within. The shadow work. And if you understand what the shadow work is, in essence, this physical part of you is what the world sees. Your conscious mind sees. The shadow, however, is the subconscious, the unconscious, what nobody gets to see, what you don't see until you tap in. Because there is where your actual reality starts to shift, when you can make the unconscious conscious. When you start shaping who you are from within. But is that what gives us true purpose? I mean, some people think their purpose is to come here, to make a shitload of money, and then leave it for the next generation. Okay, all good and well. But then you get people who take it deeper than that, who say, hey, fuck this material world, I'm on a self-discovery journey. And they go out into the world, go on adventures, and seek to find what their soul is missing. That's their purpose. So I'm asking you, what is your purpose? What do you think your purpose is? Why do you think you were sent here, or your soul was sent here? Were you sent here for healing? Is that what you still need to learn, how to heal? Were you sent here to break bonds, to break barriers, to break chains? Or are you sent here to spread love? Because I feel like everybody has a certain task assigned to them, which is their purpose. And then we are left to figure it out. And it's so frustrating sometimes because we get stuck and we feel like nothing is going right. I want to know, do some of you feel like I feel? Do you want to really know what the end goal is here, man? Like, there has to be more than everything that has been occurring or that you've been seeing. And it has to be more than just the shit we can, touch, smell, and see. And it has to be more than that. Purpose is intangible, I believe. But what is it? I believe out of all the topics I've spoken about, this is like the biggest and main one. Because not understanding this will always make you feel like you stuck on a hamster wheel going in circles. Round and round and round we go. But I digress. Check out all my other videos. Links will be pinned in the comment section as well as in the description. And let's have a conversation. Let's seek our true purpose. Peace.
Yeah. And we gon' take it from the jump, nigga. Humble, so I know I gotta get it, yeah. Visionary, I see where I'm headed. They just want the motherfucking credit. Nigga, we just wanna be remembered. Running up all the options, motherfuck all the ops. Nigga, that shit the lesson, we never taking the loss. Nigga, we got ambition, we put that shit over everything. Married to the hustle, need a wedding ring. Tracing every step, I'm taking two back. Kill 'em with a smile, give 'em cardiac arrest. Ladies wanna know where the party at, but I'm looking for the bag with my D-bag.